we are playing some more Animal Company. What did I just say? Almost freaking Girdle Tag. Well, we're playing some Animal Company again, but I'm just be inside this private clip. I don't want to see my stuff again. Someone gave me this free backpack just because I just said, can I have a free backpack? And I said, okay. Alright, so I'm receiving this private code, but I have like a lot of stuff in my backpack, so I don't want to lose it. So I'm gonna just stay inside this code with my grapple gun and just talk about this stuff. I'll be going to watch Squid Game Season 2. Squid Game Season 2. Don't move! I played these games before! It's a funny moment, like, and everyone, like, remember that one moment inside the first one, like, inside, like, the, what was it called again? The freaking, the doll apartment, everyone started running, like, and then everyone got shot, like, ah, run, ah, ow, ah. It was crazy. I'm gonna join now. I'm gonna join the Discord. Okay. This grapple gun looks. My head! Oopsies. Yeah! Boo! 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 Hey, guys, I need help with the game. I just started.
Get a revolver. I'll let you keep the rig if you give me a revolver. Just go buy one.
Guys,
I don't have enough. I don't even have the thing unlocked.
Only $2,000.
I don't have that. I don't have the revolver unlocked.
Sucks.
And you stole my ray gun.
Guys, I'm on my bed right now.
wait,
My cat's right here on IRL, right here.
Oh my god.
Oh, you kitty. I'm touching him. Oh, I'm covering. Call time. Yo, guys, who can offer for my whole bag of OG iPads?
Stop moving. Let me see.
I do. It's a whole bag full of OG iPads.
Ow.
Oh, Jesus Christ! How'd you get $400,000?
I joined the random server and then they just started grinding so much money.
My OG iPad.
Dude,
I have a bag full of OG iPads. I'm being